In this video, I will show you how to join the Home Depot affiliate program. To do this, simply go to the Home Depot website and scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. From there, you will see this. Now under About Us, there will be an affiliate program link. If you can't find it right here, you can also search for Home Depot affiliate program and click on the link you will find there, and that will take you to this page. So here you can become a partner and get rewarded by joining the Home Depot affiliate program. So you can see the affiliate program right here. Simply go and click Get Started, and that will redirect you to an affiliate network called Impact. And right here you can go through the application. Now you can see you will earn 1% of every sale made through your link, and the referral period is 1 day. So within 1 day that someone clicks on your link, if they make a purchase, you get 1%. Now to join, all you need to do is enter first your user information, then your company information. So you will need to have some sort of a way of getting traffic since they ask for a website. Now this can also, for example, be a social media channel, such as a YouTube channel, Instagram account, something like that. Then they will ask for your promotional method, for example, social influencer or in your network, email or newsletter or any of these other ones. And the countries you will be promoting in, your media properties, and then here you have the agreement, so between 1 to 8% of every sale. And then here you can go and tick the box, which means that you have read, understand, acknowledge, and accept the terms. And from there, after entering all of that, click on Submit Application. Then they will review the application, and if they want you in the affiliate program, you will then be accepted and you can start promoting Home Depot's products and earning money. So now you know how to join the Home Depot affiliate program. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.